Hello everyone. Welcome to Popcorn by Axis Direct, a podcast that simplifies the world of investing for you.
Popcorn.
Let's know how the market is looking today as we bring you the trade setup through the daily morning note. Starting with the overview of the markets. Asian markets are trading on a positive note with the Japanese stock market significantly higher on Monday following the broadly positive cues from Wall Street on Friday as data from Bank of Japan's Tankan survey suggested the economy is gradually improving. Nikkei is trading higher by 0.91%. Hang Seng is trading higher by 1.34% and Shanghai is trading higher by 0.91%. Indian indices are expected to open a gap up. SGX Nifty was trading higher by 0.81%. Nifty started the week on a flat note and traded with extreme volatility on either side for the most part of the week. However, buying momentum at lower levels pulled the index higher to close it in the green on weekly basis. Nifty closed at 17,511 with a gain of 315 points on a weekly basis. Nifty futures closed at 17,559 on a negative note with a 2.28% decrease in the open interest indicating long unwinding. Nifty futures closed at a premium of 4 points compared to the previous day premium of 1 point. Now, let's jump to the market news. Tega Industries will make a debut on bourses on December 13th. The issue price has been fixed at Rs 453 per equity share. Vedanta has approved a second interim dividend of Rs 13.5 per share for financial year 2022, accounting to Rs 5,019 crores. And Minda Industries has entered into a joint venture with Frevo AG Germany to manufacture and supply various electrical vehicle components in the Indian subcontinent. The company will hold a majority stake of 50.1% in the joint venture entity. Moving ahead, here are the technical picks for the day. Rallis India Limited with buy above at 264, stop loss at 262 and target prices between 266 to 268. And JK Cement Limited with buy above at 3,435, stop loss at 3,400 and target prices between 3,470 to 3,510. And finally, let's have a look at the stock futures. Polycab India Limited, Dixon Technologies Limited, Cummins India Limited and Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited fall under long build-up, whereas SBI Cards and Payment Services Limited, Strides Pharma Science Limited, First Source Solutions Limited and IndusInd Bank Limited fall under short build-up. That's it for today. We will see you back tomorrow morning with fresh updates of the market right here at Popcorn by Axis Direct. Till then, happy trading!
Popcorn.
Stay on top of your investments with Axis Direct. Through powerful research, advanced tools, and multiple trading platforms, Axis Direct offers simplified solutions for all your investment needs. Log on to axisdirect.in to start your investment journey with us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.